Hey there, Scott here with Saws on Skates.
Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to make this wine rack. It has a simple modern design and is small enough to fit on a countertop. Even better, it folds. Make one to leave out year-round, or make one for parties and special occasions when you need to display more bottles of wine. Unfold it when you need it, then fold it back up to save space. Let's get started. First, I used my miter saw to cut the legs and rails. The rails were joined to the legs with pocket screws. I cut some pieces of scrap wood to help with positioning the bottle dividers. All of the pocket holes were filled with pocket hole plugs. The plugs were trimmed with a chisel when the glue was dry. Any little imperfections were hidden with filler. The two halves of the wine rack were joined with small hinges. These pilot holes will be used later to install the hook and eye. A couple of coats of paint and this easy-to-make wine rack is ready for duty. Stick around, another helpful DIY video is coming up.